Learn the newest 2ED26 method to block Chrome pop-ups and unwanted redirects quickly. This easy guide improves browsing security, reduces distractions, enhances privacy, and delivers a smoother, safer online experience today. Open the Chrome app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the browser is open, tap the More icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of the address bar. This menu provides access to Chrome's advanced settings and customization features. Next, select the Settings option from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find Site Settings, then tap on it to access permissions and browsing controls for websites. Inside the Site Settings menu, locate and tap pop-ups and redirects. This section allows you to manage whether websites can open automatic pop-ups or redirect you to other pages without permission. Finally, choose the Don't Allow option to completely stop Chrome pop-ups and redirects. Once enabled, Chrome will automatically block most intrusive advertisements, scam redirects, and unwanted browser interruptions. Enjoy safer browsing with Chrome's latest pop-up blocking settings enabled.